Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you wish trading the Forex synthetic market. Okay, if this is your first time of visiting my channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Okay, in today's video, the topic is general overview of binary option trading, Deriv, Iqoption, olymptrade, export option. Okay, this is something new I'm bringing to the trading community. Actually, it is very rare to find a binary option group, so I'm using this opportunity to launch a new signal service apart from other signal services that we have in the past, which is still on. We have VMPBOS channel for relaying the Forex and synthetic signals. We have 𝑽𝑵𝑃BOS group for relaying the 𝑽𝑵𝑃BOS indices signals, and we have �ＵSDT and gold channel for relaying only �ＵSDT and gold signals. Okay, so I discovered that a lot of people also trade binary options, and they actually need a group where they can get signals on binary market, and that's why I've come with this new product. Actually, many people are actually new to binary trading, so in this video I'm going to break it down. What is binary option trading? Okay, now I will start with a broker that actually provide this service. I will start with one of the brokers because there are many of the brokers which I'm going to show you in this video, but I will start with one. So here is olymptrade. Okay, this is a demo account. So here is olymptrade. So this is what we call binary option. You see, if you are a newbie, if you don't know anything about binary option, once you are ready to actually join the group, join the VIP group on this binary of a thing, you will be given a short video to watch based on the platform you are trading. So we have all these platforms. This is olymptrade, and then we have Iqoption. You can see this is Iqoption. The link are in the description of the video. Like the link to the brokers are in the description of the video. You can click on the link and sign up with them. Just sign up with one. Don't be jack of all trades. Make sure you focus on one. Okay, so the other one is this is the expert option. Okay, this is the expert option. Now I'm going to take you to Deriv so that you also learn their binary options. Okay, you see that this is a Deriv binary option platform. Once you sign up to the website, the link is in the description of this video. It will take you to this place. Okay, and you can see that there are different type of products under the binary market. Okay, this website is just binary option website. Okay, so you see that you have a lot of them, but basically in the VIP group that I have created, we'll be relaying signals, like we'll be relaying signals on multipliers and rise and fall. Okay, so right now you have seen the brokers. The link to join the brokers are in the description of this video. Okay, so from what I have shown you, what is binary option trading? What is really binary option trading? Now I will work on this expert option. Okay, you see that Euro USD, the OTC, Euro USD OTC is actually going up and down, up and down. Now your ability to predict the right direction for a very small period of time is what we call the binary option. Your ability to make decision and say that the price will be up for a certain period of time or down for a certain period of time is what we call binary option trading. If you are correct in your prediction, you make profit. If you are not correct, you lose your money. So in this kind of stuff, you only trade with the amount of money you want to lose. The truth is that our trade cannot lose, like our signal cannot lose in more than in more than 2 to 3 rows. It cannot lose. So we deploy risk management strategy that ensures that all losses are recovered and your equity grows gradually to bigger amount. The minimum deposit for any of the broker is $50. Okay, $50, and you can see your account grow over time. Maybe 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 10 times, depending on how you actually follow the signals and how you the amount of equity you started with. Okay. For each type of broker you are using, a video will be given to you. Even in the group, there will be a video to watch for you to know how to trade the signals. Okay, so I can basically go up on Euro USD. Okay, I can basically go up with 60. This is $60. So you see that I went up and I won the trade. That is what we call binary option trading, because I was able to make the right decision and I say it's gonna go up, so I made profit. Most of the profit ranges from 60% to 100% profit, meaning that it has high probability to double your stake. Okay, so that is binary option for you. Now if you go to the note, it says how does it differ from margin market. You see, binary option trading is different from margin market like this one. You see, this is a margin market. If you are following Deriv company, this is their synthetic market, and then we can go to Forex. You see that the all margin market. Okay, this is margin market. Why it is called margin market is, take for instance, if you want to take a trade and you go to new order, you see that it will ask you to put your lot size. So lot size means you are trading margin. Okay, so you type your lot size, the stop loss and the take profit. These are called margin. Okay, why binary option is actually different from margin is that in binary option trading, it is timing timing and position of price that determine your profit or loss. But here, the margin, price purely determine the position of the state of your profit or loss. Price purely determine it. There is no time, it is independent of time. Okay, apart from the part that in the binary option trading we have multipliers, which are actually seen in the Deriv company. We have multipliers, and these multipliers are functions of price and not time. But why they are not margin yet is because you don't use lot size, you use multiplier values. Okay, like this, we have different multiplier values like 1000. You only use multiplier value. There is no lot size. You have take profit and stop loss. You can put your take profit, you can put your stop loss, but it is under binary and not what margin. Okay, so anyone you trade, whether you are trading Deriv, binary option, or expert option of a binary option, or you are trading IQ option, or you are trading olymptrade options, okay, they're all binary. Anywhere you trade, all the signal will be given in one place, in one Telegram channel. Okay, all the signal will be given in one Telegram channel. So it depends on the one you trade. If you are trading Deriv, once a signal is sent, just go and check. If it is a Deriv signal, then you trade. If you are trading olymptrade, check immediately the signal is sent. Check if it is olymptrade, then you trade. The thing is here, we use high level technical analysis to get a signal. So if a signal is good, is going to be good or profitable for margin market, let's say I predicted that Euro USD, okay, let's say BTC USD for instance, is going to buy from here, and so I buy. Okay, the same signal that I predicted as a margin market, I can still trade it as a binary market. How? By timing it accurately. Okay, by timing it accurately. So that is where we work hard. So once we generate a margin signal, we convert it to binary signal by giving it the right timing. Are you getting me? By giving it the right timing in case of normal binary market, ups and down or rise and fall, and then in terms of minimizing the liquidation level for multipliers. Okay, for multipliers, you see, if you are trading multiplier, you understand what I mean by liquidation. So if you are going up on volatility 𝒂𝒏𝒈 at this price, let's say you go up, you are going to be stopped out. Okay, you are going to be stopped out at certain prices if the market starts going down. That's what we mean by liquidation. So our work is to make sure you really are up, like progress and grow exponentially on your equity. So this video actually is meant to help you achieve your binary option trading goal, because if you keep losing, then you need a signal provider. Okay, so take for instance, this is Iqoption, and we can go up on BTC. You see, you can select time. So in the signal, we're going to provide the time. This is very, very important. Okay, for binary. Then for multiplier, we provide the take profit and stop losses. Okay, so here I'm going to use the time I'm going to use normally 5 minutes. I can use 5 minutes. Okay, so we put 5 minutes, and then we are going to buy. So I'm going to confirm. So I have confirmed it, and so we have the trades running. You can see it have sell, profit or loss. Okay, but I'm not going to sell. You see the time to close. This is the time to close. Okay, this is the time to close. You see, and basically we might win this trade. We won the trade. Okay, yeah. So what we do is we provide you with a signal. If we are providing signal on olymptrade, then the same signal on olymptrade will be traded on Iqoption, because they work on the same principle. If you are sending signal on Deriv, the same way you are going to trade it. Okay, but then if it is multiplier from Deriv, then you are going to follow it based on the stop losses and take profit, because there is no time given for that. So once you are ready to actually getting these signals to grow your account, just DM on Telegram and you will be verified. Once you pay the subscription fee, because I'm going to make the subscription fee a little bit cheap for the first week from the time I release this video, and after that the subscription will go to $200 per month. But right now you can get subscribed at $75 per month. Remember, this is a multi-platform signal service, so we provide signals for all platforms, for olymptrade, for Iqoption, and for Deriv. So it's something you should embrace. Okay, thank you, keep coming, thank you, keep coming, and bye for now.